Hello and welcome to another video. Today I thought I would have a closer look at this art set that I got a few weeks back now. I got it from the Cathedral gift shop in the Cathedral, hence the name. It's elephant themed, as you can see, especially for the... It's not to do with the March of the Elephants thing that was going on, but I suppose they're having an elephant theme thing. They had some more elephant stuff as well that wasn't quite connected. Anyway, I sent on the back what it's got in it. 12 crayons, 12 oil pastels, 12 paints, 1 palette, 1 paintbrush, 1 HB pencil, 1 eraser, 1 sharpener, 1 tube of glue. So that's they said it's got a palette with it. I mean, does this count as a palette? That must be the palette. It's see-through. I don't know. It's a good job I've got the palettes, isn't it? I don't know whether that would be suitable, really. There's the paints. We've got 12. Blue, red, green. Another blue, another blue. That's purple, the blue, another black, and yellow. That's yellow ochre, that's green, another bit blue, and orange. So no white in there. Not that you should use white when you're doing watercolours. You want white, you use the paper as white. Now this brush is not very good. It's one of those child's brushes. And it's got a very plasticky feel at the end of it. It's not bristle. Well, it could be bristle, but it's very hard, very stiff, and not really professional artist quality, if you know what I mean. The pencil hasn't got on it what it is, 2B, HB, whatever. Nothing on the pencil to say what it is. It's just And we've got the rubber. We've got a pencil sharpener, which I can't get out. I wonder if this will work and not make me break the lead. Then we have a tube of glue. And we have wax crayons, and we have oil pastels. Now, I'm presuming these ones are the wax crayons with the point to them, and I'm presuming these without the point are the oil pastels. I will test them out later. So we've got that looks like grey, doesn't it? Grey, blue, green, orange, pink. These two look the same. I'll test them out on a piece of paper and see. I think this one's brown and that one's black, but they look very similar. Oh yeah, you can tell there. That's brown and that's black, so yeah. Brown, black, purpley colour. Another green and another blue, that's a darker blue. And a yellow and a red. and the same colours in the oil pastels. Yeah, so I'll have to test that out later, I don't know when. So I don't think I'm going to be using this brush. I'll be using the brushes that I've already got, because that brush is... Anyway, that's my art set. It's my art set. It says it on it. So that's the end of this video then. If you enjoyed it, give us a like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.